Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by combining 500 g bread flour with 300 ml water and 7 g instant yeast. Add 1 tablespoon sugar to feed the yeast. Mix to a shaggy dough, then rest briefly so the flour hydrates. This improves gluten development. After a short autolyse, add 2 tsp salt and knead 5-7 minutes until smooth and elastic. Once done, place the dough in an oiled bowl, cover, and let it rise for 45-60 minutes at about 24 degrees so it doubles and becomes airy. Once the dough has doubled, divide it into 8 equal pieces and pre-shape each into a tight ball. Let them bench rest for 10 minutes to relax the gluten. Then form rings, either roll a log and join ends or poke a hole and stretch with your finger, so each bagel is uniform. Make sure to proof for 20-30 minutes until slightly puffy. Immediately before baking, boil the bagels 60-90 seconds per side in simmering water with 1 tablespoon malt or sugar to set the crust and impart chew. You transfer boiled bagels to a tray and bake at 220 degrees for 18-22 minutes until they turn deep golden. Rotate the tray once for even color. Make sure to cool them on a rack for about 20 minutes so steam escapes and the crumb finishes setting. This prevents gummy centers. If your bagels come out dense, consider one key troubleshooting tip. Underproofing or excessive oven temperature causes tight crumb, so lengthen the proof time slightly or lower the oven by 10-20 degrees next bake.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.